Welcome to my channel, where every turn of the wheel could decide your fate. From insane maneuvers to instant karma crashes, you're about to witness it all. Rise to fame through road rage? Trust me, nobody wants that. Speeding through the intersection. Didn't just lose a headlight, lost the wallet too.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break all the way hard.
When your friend invites you to the beach, but you're more of a houseplant. Crossing lanes, crossing limits, zero fun. The shop owner spooked him, and chaos followed.
They're dangerous.
Oh, shit!
Green means go, buddy. When your bro shows up, but you're a ghost. He was slow. The gray car wasn't. The BMW taught them why red means stop.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break.
Whoa! Oh!
All the way hard.
Better slow at the intersection and fast at the ER. That pole was just background decoration. Stalling on the track, game over.
It's more than I can bear. It's words I can't shake. Weak and hard.
Tesla didn't scan in time.
It's more than I
Impact
can
did.
bear. It's words I can't shake.
Not sure if I should laugh or cry. The tree was protected, just not effectively. Two brothers. One escaped, one didn't. Now you know why we avoid trucks.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break all the way hard.
Everyone move. He's in performance mode. On the way to work, suddenly craved a beach day. Pretty sure that's a train, not a car. Can't tell that. The black car showed up uninvited. Luckily, everyone's okay. Rake verse slope, not a fair fight. Seems like the convertible blinded him a bit.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break all the way.
One thing to remember, never mess with pickup drivers.
Holy!
This one's going straight to the evidence folder. That driving style, unstoppable, literally. Better slow down when you've got a trailer tagging along. I've said it 1,000 times. Slow down at intersections.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break all the way.
At the very least, pick a lane and stay in it. He opened the door for airflow, not awareness. Got it on camera. Expect a love letter from the police. This silver car is just having a really bad night, ending up as an unplanned roadblock. At least the hazard lights are still working, right?
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break.
When you're speeding in the rain, the road has a funny way of saying slow down. This car learned that lesson the hard way. This truck decided to redecorate the highway with itself. A bold artistic choice for sure. When you try to run a red light and end up in a pile of trash, that's what we call instant garbage karma. Trying to make a U-turn right in front of oncoming traffic? Bold move, but the results are predictably messy. This white car seems to be auditioning for a role in a Fast and Furious movie. Spoiler alert, it didn't get the part.
don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break.
Just a casual head-on collision to start the day. At least they won't have to worry about finding a parking spot.
Man, what the dude? What are you doing, man?
When a fire truck is coming through, you move. Unless you want a front row seat to a very expensive light show. This car tried to play chicken with the barrier and lost spectacularly. The barrier remains undefeated. A perfect example of why you don't cut off other cars. This ended with a spin and a trip to the grass.
I just break. All the way heartache, 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 all the way heartache.
But Sandy, you are up this Friday morning. I will be watching UFC London.
In this case, I'm not sure who is right either. If you know, please leave a comment. An impressive display of how not to overtake. The truck driver probably didn't even feel that.
Holy, oh my God, oh my God.
This driver decided to take a spontaneous detour through a tunnel wall. Not the scenic route they were hoping for. This car thought it could take on a power pole and a fence. It was a valiant effort, but ultimately unsuccessful.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break. All the way heartache, all the way heartache, all the way heartache, all the way heartache,
When you're in a hurry and the utility pole just won't get out of your way. A shocking conclusion. A classic case of distracted driving leads to a multi-car pileup. Hope everyone's insurance is up to date. This red car took flying down the highway a little too literally. The landing could have been smoother. When you try to cut someone off but end up cutting your own trip short. That's a textbook example of instant karma.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break. All the way heartache, all the way heartache, all the way heartache, all the way heartache, all the way heartache.
try to make a U-turn in the middle of traffic. The result is a loud crash and a lot of confused drivers. Entering the lane like this, I can't defend you either. This tractor trailer decided to give the car next to it a little love tap. A cheap but dangerous one. When a truck takes a sharp turn too fast, this is what happens. A messy and dusty end to a journey.
What the
I have said many times that you should go slowly at the intersection.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just
A classic case of road rage ending in a crash. Remember, kids, anger and driving don't mix.
1 second of losing control could lead to a lifetime of regret. You may be right, you may be wrong, but if you lose your temper, most nicely. Remember, on the road, ego is never worth more than a life. Thank you for staying with us till the end. If this story made you think, feel free to leave a comment or share with others. Subscribe to the channels for more true stories and the life-changing lessons. Stay safe on the road and see you in the next video.